say, Mr. Golf Ball. I say, prepare to be whacked. You're a tough little guy, aren't you? Right then, this means war!
Ouch! Alright, what's the idea, little Woodpecker?
Oops, sorry, Wally. I was just playing a little game of golf, that's all.
Oh, is that so, eh? Well, I challenge you to a little tee-off. The character who has a hole-in-one wins. Got me?
Well, I may be skeptical about this, but it's a deal.
We're live at the 10-acre golfing tournament as our two competitive athletes, Wally Walrus and Woody Woodpecker, are about to begin the tee-off. And so far, everyone is staring and holding their breaths with unfavored anticipation to see who will be the winner. And with that being said, may the best man or woodpecker win.
What's the matter, little birdie? Afraid to lose?
No, I'm trying to concentrate, so will you just be quiet for a second? Ha! Top that, Walrus.
Well, that's nothing. Watch me, Woodpecker.
Better luck next time, Wally. I'm pretty sure you'll get the hang of it. Besides, we're only playing for fun, right?
Oh, but it ain't over yet, little birdie. I'll just have to try again. All the way from bottom to top.
What are you doing?
Moving my ball.
Wally, you're supposed to play it where it lands.
Fine. Have it your way. Top that, Woodpecker!
So far, we're tied. 2 shots to 3.
Actually, it's called the strokes, not the shots.
Yeah, well, you got that right.
A hole-in-one? Top that, little birdie!
Yeah, right. I could do that blindfolded.
Alright, warmer, warmer. I think you're red hot. Ouch! Oh! I think your ice cold.
Alright, and now we are at our final hole. And it's the big one. Who do you suppose will win this match? Either Wally Walrus or Woody Woodpecker? What do you say we have a look, shall we? And it looks like Woody Woodpecker is the winner. Better luck next time, Wally.
Now
Yeah,
you gotta work
alright,
there, little
such a
friend.
fantastic
Chip
yeah.
player you've become. Wait, where did you guys come from? I suppose you're in the wrong cartoon. Now that was a great strategy at psyching out that walrus with every trick you knew. I'm confused. Don't you see? That little tee-off was so exciting, my bolts couldn't stop sparking. Yep, and she enjoys every moment of it. Well, I guess you're okay for a woodpecker, I guess. Hey, thanks. So how's about a trip to the mall? My treat. Well, surely, why not?